So last night I had that live feed I told you about yesterday and on the other channel, and I'll put a up next box to that channel, or at least a video of that to that channel. Maybe not to that live feed, but if you wanted to see it, just go to the live feed tab on the channel itself. And what I find funny is, not funny, but interesting, I guess is a better way to put it, is a month ago I did a live feed and it got 200 views during the live feed. It was 28 minutes long, and I did a terrible job in that live feed. I just turned on the camera just to see how to operate it, because it's been years since I've done live feeds on this channel, and I knew they made some changes. So I really didn't have anything to say. As a matter of fact, I didn't say anything probably the first 15 minutes of the video. And then somebody asked about tools, and so that gave us something to talk about for the next 18 minutes or whatever it was, to 11 minutes. And so then I privatized it because there was a troll that came in, and I didn't want to, that to show up in the live feed and all that. So a month later, I realized I could edit that out. So I edited the whole thing out and just kept in the part about the tools. And so that video went down to 5 minutes. I mean, it didn't have good watch time capability. And that video got another 400 views. Well, our live feed, it's not a video. And so I thought, I'm going to try this again. So I figured out how I was going to do it, and this editing thing was great because that means I can get rid of the trolls out of the live feed. I can condense them down just to the subject matter, and have a pretty good video, or have at least turned a good live feed into a video type of conversation. So I tried to figure out what I wanted to talk about, which was the differences between the old school lawnmowers and the new school lawnmowers, so the flathead and the overhead valves. And it turned out to be about a 48-minute live feed. Now, the last 10 minutes was pretty dry because we ran out of stuff to talk about, and I was trying to get people to answer questions. But the other 38 minutes, it was pretty active. It was, the content was pretty on point the whole time. We talked about all kinds of stuff: ease of work, oils, different types of oils, different grades of oils, synthetic versus conventional. There was just a ton of stuff that I had listed in this live feed. And I thought, well, this is going to do pretty good. So when I got done, only 53 people had watched, and we only had 9 hours of watch time. So it was almost an hour long. 53 people checked in and left. And then we got 9 hours out of it. I mean, it's not terrible, but comparing it to last month's video, I was pretty surprised that it didn't do as well. But you figure maybe it was colder then. It's quite nice last night. Maybe Valentine's Day's coming up, and everybody was going out and getting things for their wives and different things. So I mean, things happen, and you just have to move along with YouTube the best you can. But I just never understand it. You do what YouTube tells you, which is have content that is structured and everybody understands it, and it does terrible. You jump on for 5 minutes, well, 28 minutes to be exact, ramble on about nothing, repeat yourself, and you do that the whole time, and you get 200 and some odd people to watch. So it just never makes sense to me how YouTube operates. It has never made sense. So I edited that live feed, last night's live feed, down, and I got it from 48 minutes down to 27 minutes. And it is all girly. So it's down to 27 minutes now. Girly barked, so I got distracted. And I released it this morning at 8 a.m. And it just never went. It just never went. Now, I have a theory why it may not have went. It was 27 minutes long, so that's a lot longer than the 5 minutes. With the 5 minutes, people at least would be curious enough to say, oh, what's this about? Live feed was only 5 minutes long. But at 27 minutes, people are so adapt to live feeds that are boring, that they don't want to watch a long live feed, just people saying, well, hi, Jim, how are you? Good to see you again. They don't want to see that. Well, in this one, I edited all that out. It was completely removed. There was only one question that I left in there, and it was about oil. I think it was about oil. Maybe detergent versus non-detergent. I think that's the one I left in. And the reason I left that one comment in was because there was a long conversation about it. And I was going to remove it, but it just didn't make sense why I was talking about detergents versus non-detergent oil without the question. So I left it in, but everything else was just right on top of it, like it was just a regular video talking about one thing after another, kind of like this one. So I released it, and the click-through rate was just rock bottom, about 2.5%. And anything below 3%, you just will forget it. YouTube is not going to promote that video. So it's been running right around 2%, somewhere in that range, 2 point something, all morning long. I mean, it just hasn't done well. So, like I said, I think the only reason that is, well, one, I changed the color of the thumbnail. And I did that just to highlight to the viewers that, so they would know that this was a live feed. I don't know if that has any effect on people's brain, that is not me. I mean, it's got me in the picture. So you would think the people would know it was me, just with a different thumbnail. I don't know. But I'm going to use that thumbnail because I don't want everybody to realize that one is a live feed and one is the video. I would rather the videos do well and the live feeds not do well than the other way around. So I'll keep that the blue border instead of the red border, just so the viewer knows it's a live feed. But I think the 27 minutes is what's turning everybody off. I titled it that this was an edited live feed, so everybody knew that should have been cut out, but I guess nobody was convinced that it was worth watching. I did a community tab post in hopes that it would, promote it a little bit more. It didn't. Now, again, I think tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so maybe people are busy today. I know the school shut down for some reason today. I don't know why. So maybe there's something going on. I just don't know. But I'm going to do those live feeds probably once a month, come up with a topic that we can talk about. I don't know how many topics I can really come up with lawnmowers. But, once a month, just to try to get my watch time up. I don't know if I'm going to do these forever because they are a lot of work. They're a ton of work. Because you got to do, you got to come up with a game plan. You got to come up with a title and the thumbnail. You got to kind of come up with some sort of mental script. I don't script things, but some sort of mental script of what you want to talk about. I mean, even last night's live feed, I missed the entire topic about ignition coils and points, the differences between the old and new. I completely missed that topic. I wish I'd have covered it. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I don't know how to get an hour's worth of conversation in a live feed. Maybe that's too long. Maybe that is the downside. I don't know. I don't know what it is good for a live feed. I don't know if a technical channel should have live feeds. I've asked YouTube AI, I've asked Gemini's AI, and I asked ChatGPT. They all said it's a good idea. But it just hasn't panned out. So I'll just keep at it. I'm not disappointed. I'm not at all. Because I did get watch time. And my goal is, like I said, my goal is to keep the watch time above 333 hours per month. That keeps me above 4,000. Now, some months I'm going to be a little bit less. Some months I'm going to be a lot more. So the December and January, I was down to 280-ish, 250-ish. So that was getting kind of dangerously low. So I wanted to get some videos out, some extra, something where I can get extra watch hours. So now I'm above 330, I think, for this month. I may be even around 350, somewhere around there, 360. So that bumps me back up a little bit. So I got to keep that up. So I don't want to dip too far down. The struggle I'm going to have is if the channel doesn't grow a lot in March, or excuse me, May, I'm going to really struggle in August. Well, probably more like October time frame. So I may end up having to put 2 videos a week out, or do multiple live feeds just to keep my watch time up, because I can't afford to get down to 280 hours a month. I just can't. 250. So I'm going to have to substitute that with live feeds. I just got to stay on top of it. I'm really too close to that line to be risking it. And just so you know, the reason you got to stay above 333 hours per month is you got to have 4,000 hours per year in order to continue to keep your monetization. And I don't want to lose that. It's just too hard to get back. I mean, it's just too hard to get in the first place, and then you lose it and you have to get it back. That's terrible. So I don't want to do that. So there's ways to do it. Extra videos, extra, live feeds. I don't want to pollute this channel, though. That's the biggest thing, or that channel. I don't want to pollute it with so much garbage that it becomes boring to people. I watch this one guy on YouTube. He's a lawnmower mechanic, and he's really good. I have nothing against him, and I subscribe to him. But he puts out a video every day, and it's like, man, every day? It's just, I don't know, it's just difficult to keep up with every day. I try, because I like supporting. Once I subscribe, once I've made the mental decision I'm going to subscribe to a channel, I really want to try to support that channel. I don't know why. That's just my behavior. I have to do it. So I've already subscribed to him. He's a good mechanic, so I try to watch all of his videos. A lot of times I just walk away, though, do something else. What else is going on? There's not a lot going on. So I guess I'll just go ahead and jump off of here. I don't have a lot to talk about. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video over to my other channel. I really appreciate it if you go check it out. So I hope I can inspire you to keep at it, so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.